So we're in the Rodley Nature Reserve now. This is the River Aire. That's Budleigh, isn't it? I come, Rich could do with a lick of paint.
Yeah. They used to appear where fires. You know, I've never been down there.
I haven't. This is...
It all belonged to the refrigeration place then. Use of reserve.
Out there. Can you see them? Red. Do you think they're plums? Anybody out there that you recognise them in among all these trees? Yeah, birds will face the sends on them when the winter comes.
That chimney in distance over there on right, I think is the swimming bath, Bramley swimming bath.
Yeah. That's that property, isn't it, there?
Yeah.
Going down Cobbles Road. I think. Oh, pleasant. You can wish. Visitor centre.
I didn't know this were here. Well, I knew it were here, but I have never been to it. Right on the doorstep in Rodley. Yeah. Well, this is the pond dipping area where they're all looking for news, and you take your stuff to this table here and they'll tell you what you've fished at. There's some dragonflies there. Well, we've arrived, folks. Quite a busy road on the way here, but this is a lovely little place, this. I want to know where we are. Just a minute. We're in Heronbrook. This is a CL site.
Get out.
And I've seen I think it might be £18 an hour. I've seen a sign saying 16. I'm not sure. Heronbrook, Peasall Lane, Cottgrove, near Radcliffe-on-Trent. So that's where we are. I'll show you.
Sorry, sweet.
And these are our bad neighbours that we've got here, which is very unfortunate.
Someone's stuck, I don't know.
Trouble at Mill, there's a camper arrived and the name's not on.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll show you. This is the lovely. It's a lovely little field. Grass is cut really short. Little 5 van CL. There we are. Freshwater taps there, Elson in corner there. We're up top, and it's down this is Peasall, did I say? Peasall Lane. This is it. This is Peasall Lane. We come down there, down that lane, and go down the lane. Get to the main road, turn left and drive down there to the junction. There's a pub on the left. Are you going to house?
Yeah.
So, can't you get her on the phone?
No, just voicemail.
Right. Awkward. They've arrived and they don't know where they're supposed to be. The name's not on any pegs. And they're booked. And they were towing and a lorry hit the car while it was being towed up back. Made a right mess at the side of there. Last week it happened. And there's Graham and Wendy. So we're in for a raucous 4 days. Well, and it's a beautiful day. There's the scenery there, sheep in the field, cotton wool clouds. It's just beautiful. And we should have booked a week. Right. See you later.